Hi, I'm Mark Sodja. I'm a repair tech at eReplacementParts.com. In this video, I'm going to show you how to clean a lawnmower carburetor. To get started, first I want to use some carburetor cleaner to remove any debris that's on the outside of the carburetor. That way when we take it apart, I won't just transfer that dirt to the inside. Okay, with the outside of the carburetor cleaned up, now I'm going to use a ratchet wrench to remove the screw on the bottom of the carb. It's a good idea to do this over a container in case there's any gas left inside the carburetor. For now, I'll set the bowl and the screw aside and we'll concentrate on the carburetor body. On the underside of the carburetor, there's a hinge pin that holds the float in place. I'll remove that hinge pin, and then I can remove the float and the metering needle. I'm also going to remove the bowl gasket. We'll end up replacing this gasket. Now I want to take the carburetor cleaner again and clean the internal components of the carburetor, as well as the bowl, the screw, the float, and the metering needle. As I clean the body of the carburetor, I want to concentrate on all the small openings in the carburetor and make sure that I get all those good and clean. Also clean the carburetor opening and the venturi inside. Whenever you clean a carburetor, you never want to stick anything metal into any of the small passages, as this will damage them. It is okay to use something soft, however, such as fishing line. I'll clean the bowl. The bowl screw on some carburetors, such as this one, also acts as the jet. So again, I want to take some time to clean these tiny openings on the screw. The float, and last, the metering needle. Now it's just a matter of reassembling everything. First, I'll place the metering needle onto the float and set this assembly back onto the carburetor. I'll secure the float with the hinge pin. Now I'll take my new gasket, place it on the carburetor, reinstall the bowl, and secure it with the screw. And that's all it takes to clean the carburetor on a lawnmower.